So Instagram is something which is used by everyone, and today I got a great collection of 5 must-have applications for all the Instagram users, and trust me guys that these applications will change the way you use Instagram on your mobile device. So with that being said, yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here, and now without any further ado, let's move straight into the video. So the first application on the list is Social Paradise, as this application offers a lot of Instagram tools, and the best thing is that it is all included in a single application. Apart from that, it also offers WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter tools. By using this application, you can download Instagram DP in full resolution. Apart from that, you can download any post automatically by just copying its link. Also, you can use it for copying captions, hashtags and for repost purpose. And the best thing is that you can also use this application for downloading Instagram stories, images and videos both by just a single click. So this Social Paradise is a must-have application for all the Instagram users. So the second application on the list is QMine, and by using this application you can see the name of everyone who has visited your profile in the previous few days. Also, it will tell you that who visits your profile the most, who has seen your post a lot. Well, this application is very safe to use, and also it is very simple to use. The link of this application is given below in the description, and you can also download it from the Play Store by just searching for QMine. So before we move to the third application, today I got some amazing thing for you guys, which has been sent by Make Fancy Tea, and you can have a look at their Instagram page from the link given below in the description. They make quality skins, covers and pop holders. Apart from that, Tech Paradise lovers can purchase the Tech Paradise official black cover and the pop holder from their Instagram page. Just go and check it out. Now, the third application on the list is Story Maker, and by using this application you can create some amazing Instagram stories, and this application comes with a lot of presets and templates. Just select the one you want to edit, and after that just add your pictures, and later on you can export it. And this application is very useful for producing premium Instagram stories. Also, it is very simple to use. The fourth application on the list is Recent Notification, and this is a notification trapping application, and by using this you can easily read all the unsent messages of Instagram because it traps the notification as soon it is generated, but it will not let you view the previous deleted messages before the installation of this application. This app is pretty useful. The last and the fifth application on the list is Planoly, and by using this application you can schedule your post according to the date and time whenever you want to upload the post. This is an automation based application, and it is pretty useful to scheduling your post according to the perfect time. So these were the 5 must-have applications what I concluded for all the Instagram users, and guys, make sure to do follow me on Instagram @techparadise_, and the link is also given below in the description. So if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, please put your comment below in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Divyansh, and I'll catch you in the next one.